In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a second account on Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll be able to switch between mailboxes without logging out, which is great for keeping work and personal messages separate while staying organized in one place. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to mail.yahoo.com. Sign into your primary Yahoo Mail account, the one you use most often. If you've never bookmarked the login page, this is a good time to do it so you always land on the official site. Make sure your browser is up to date to avoid odd display issues while you're setting things up. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or your initials. Click that to open the account menu. This menu is where Yahoo keeps options related to your profile and any additional mailboxes you want to manage. In the menu, choose Add or Manage Accounts. Depending on your layout, you might see it labeled as Add Mailbox. Both paths lead to the same place. Next, select Add Account. When prompted, complete the sign-in for the second mailbox you want to link. If it's another Yahoo address, you'll go through the usual Yahoo sign-in flow. If it's a different provider, you may see that provider's sign-in screen. Just follow the prompts on screen to authenticate the account you're adding. After that, Yahoo may ask you to verify your identity, grant permission so it can show and send mail on your behalf, or choose what to import. These prompts help keep your account secure and make sure mail syncs correctly, so take a moment to read each one before continuing. You may also be offered the option to assign a label or a color to the new mailbox. Picking a distinct label and color is a simple way to tell accounts apart at a glance, and you can always tweak these later in your settings if you change your mind. When setup finishes, look at the left sidebar in Yahoo Mail. You'll see a mailbox list that includes your original account and the one you just added. Click the name of the added account to access its inbox. The first sync can take a moment, especially if there's a lot of mail, so give it a little time and refresh if needed. From here on, you can switch between accounts by clicking their names in the sidebar, and compose messages knowing they'll send from the mailbox you currently have selected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.